In this video, we'll discuss the Street Mapping tool in ITICnxt. The Street tool is designed to create excavation entities along established roadways. This tool is ideal for jobs involving road repair, replacing utility poles, or utility mainline installations. Select the Street tool from the Drawing Tools menu. Before you start drawing, you'll need to enter a width in feet. Then click on a road or highway at the beginning of the work area. Click again at the end of the work area. Street excavation entities must be confined to a single street. If you need to cover more, create additional street excavation entities. ITICnxt will automatically derive marking instructions and driving directions from your mapping. Thanks for watching.